In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play World Cup in EAFC 26. So first of all, if you go to the tournament section, then under it, we'll see different types of tournaments. And if you look closely, the only international cup available is the Women's International Cup. So Men's International Cup or FIFA World Cup isn't available in FC 26. So that's why we need to create our own custom tournament. And to do that, we need to go to the custom tournament option, select it, and then we need to set it as group and knockout. Then scroll down here and set the number of teams you wanna have. So 32 teams is the one I prefer, but if you want more than that, then you can set it to 64, but I'm happy with 32. So let's set it like this. Now this is the important part. If you turn the autofill teams off, then you need to manually add 28 teams which are available in international teams, which is very hectic. So that's why I prefer it to be yes, and then we can automatically add all the teams at once. Now if you want to have any tournament name, then you can type that here and ensure that advanced settings is turned on so that we can automatically add all our teams at once. Then set your team type as main, then press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation like so, and from here we can adjust tournament settings. Now to add all teams automatically, we need to set this autofill from to international like so, and then you can choose this team ratings range to all, or you can set it according to you. So I'll just keep it all. You can choose the final stadium where the finals will be played on. You can select the cup you wanna have. You can also choose the subs on bench. So basically you can go through all these options and set this according to your preference. Then press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to advance, and there you go. You can see all the teams are now inserted automatically into our custom tournament. But you can see Brazil is missing here. That's because Brazil isn't available in FC 26. If you want to have Brazil in your tournament, then you have to replace a non-used club with Brazilian players, and then you can add that club into this tournament, and then you'll be able to play with Brazilian players. So these are the teams which are available in the game, and you'll be missing about 4 slots here. If you wanna go with them, then for that press the main menu key on your Xbox controller or option button on your PlayStation. But before that, I need to pick a team here. So let's go with Portugal. I can just select that like this, then press the main menu or option button. Now I wanna fill those empty slots with random clubs. So that's why I'll just confirm it here, and then all the groups will be distributed. If you wanna randomize the teams in this group, then for that press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation like so, and then the groups will be randomized like this. Now to advance here, we need to press the main menu key on Xbox or option button on PlayStation, and then our custom tournament or FIFA World Cup will be created here. So I wanna create a new World Cup here. Then you can name it and then press the main menu key or option button, and then you can see our own fictional tournament has been created here, and then you can add or customize anything you want here. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.